Okay, we're back in Havana. Today is May 11th, 2026. I'm gonna walk around and give you street views of what this place looks like today. I can tell it from now. Less traffic on the road. Tourists almost next to zero. I'm gonna go by where the tourists hang out, all the buses and stuff like that, and we'll see. The sea tourists is probably gonna be a handful. As you can see, all the classic taxis and cars, tour cars, they're usually right here. There's none. Totally empty. There are no cars. Across the street here is another area where all the cars are lined up. I think I see one, two cars. This area right here, the cars are usually lined up. There's only two cars over there. The streets are empty here in Habana, Cuba, May 11th, 2026. From what was explained to me, gas is super expensive. In this area, you'll see tourists walking around. I see no tourists so far. And by now, I'm practically a local. So X me out of that tourist thing. No, I'm good, my friend. I'm good. Just walking around. Yeah, I'm just walking around, my friend. I'm good. No, I'm good. I'm good. No, I'm good. No, I'm good. Thanks, man. I'm good. I'm just walking around. Okay?
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Go to festival.
I know every.
Havana, it's a special day.
I know. I hear that every time. I'm here a lot, and I keep hearing that same story over and over. Come up with something different, okay, my friend? They all try to scam me with that story about festival and cigar and a whole bunch of crap. Don't fall for that. No, no, I'm good, my friend. Thanks. See that man just asked me about riding a horse once. I answered, and he understood and he stepped away. Not being aggressive at all. People like him, I'll deal with. But them others, different story. It's never been this easy to cross the street. Capitol building. Okay, when I start uploading these videos, there will be no edits. This is just straight walking video. If you get bored, just fast forward. But you're gonna see what I see. Not like doing no edits. My workflow is much faster. So any little mistakes, you're gonna see it. Somebody tell me to go suck my mama, you're gonna hear it. Hey.
Cubano.
Me? Si.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Capitolio, go to the halt. To halt.
Okay.
Canto histórico.
Okay. It's okay.
Saber se halt.
Okay, maybe next time, my friend. Okay?
To halt, Alberto.
No. Yeah, I got you. Next time. Okay, my friend? Yeah, I got you. Next time. All right, this area is usually very busy. Let's see what it looks like.
conoce? ¿Usted es de aquí?
I don't understand, my friend. They've been building this for months. I guess this is going to be a new hotel. I've been coming here so often and I haven't seen any like advancement, like, I don't know. All right, let me see. Where am I gonna walk from? Go. What direction do I want to go?
Estoy aquí ahora en la
Which?
vine a recoger un dinero para llegar yo por allá por el banco de Quinta Avenida.
Ganó 1000 cuentas para allá para. Hola, hola.
Para empezar a todo ahí.